Sing! Sing! Larry screwed up. We were on a long pavement stretch of pace. A long stretch. I had tailwind. I took off at a great time. She let me go about a mile before she called me and said, "Hey, wait for your exit turn." Anyway, we're almost there. Almost to Lyons camp out. The weather is turning. That's right.
Can you understand how it feels when the only thing that's real is the road?
Okay, so we made it to Lyons. She doesn't get to plan the route anymore because that was brutal. Last 10 miles straight due west. A terrible wind off the front range. Oh, must have been 30 miles an hour. I don't know. On my descents, I was pedaling hard just to try to keep some speed. That's how fast, that's how hard the wind was. So, and then I spent my first night in a bivy bag without the rod that keeps it off your face. Cause anyway, I managed it. I propped up one of my shoes, kind of kept the, and I got some sleep. I was so exhausted yesterday, it was ridiculous. I was a bitch, I admit it. It was my longest ride to date at altitude. Well, 5,000 feet's altitude for me. Coffee. I'm drinking the Jazzy Java blend. It's a little too jazzy for me this morning, but I'm glad for it. Oh God, I was sweating my balls off in that sleeping bag and bivy bag and all that. Sea to Summit self-inflatable mattress pad. That's the bomb. That thing was nice. The bivy bag was just a little small for me. I think I need a little bigger size. But yeah, I wrestled around and slept. Apparently I was either snoring or cussing in my sleep still from the headwind. Fucking headwind. It was stupid. It's like a hurricane off a mountain. We were riding in, trying to pedal into it. Yeah, my ass is hurting. Yeah, it's sore. We'll slide that seat back a touch just to change it up for the ride home. when you're back on gravel. Whoa, watch board. Oh, shit. Coming into Boulder. There's the proof. Flat irons. Ooh.